Hey, seventh graders, welcome to Thursday of Module 5, Tax and Tip. Oftentimes when you go out to eat, you're not just paying for your meal or you're not just paying for the things that you're buying, you also have to pay for tax and most oftentimes tip for the service. So let's get started. Landon is buying a new remote control car. The price of the car is $12.50 and the sales tax is 7%. How much will Landon pay for the car? Let's think back to yesterday when we did variable expressions. There are two different ways to approach this problem, and you get to choose. We're going to show you the one way we think is a little simpler by adding the percents together. So first, if we take a look, we know that our price is $12.50, and we know that we're adding on a 7% tax, which is 0.7 times $12.50. Or we could just think of 100% of the price as being $12.50. So that would be 100 plus 7, or 107% of the price. So if we think of it this way, it's a little bit simpler. So we can start to think, okay, $12.50 times 107%, because we're paying 100% of the price plus 7% of the price, is 13.375. $12.50 times 1.07 is this decimal. Now, our total price cannot have 3 decimal places because money always rounds to the nearest 100th. So we do have to look next door at this 5. This 5 means that we're rounding the 7 up, and our total cost is going to be $13.38. So what about when you go out to dinner? Oftentimes you don't only just have tax, you also have tip. The Hall family is ordering groceries to be delivered. The total is $45.75. They are going to tip 15%, and the sales tax is 9%. What is the total for the groceries? So we have to think, not only are you paying 100% of your total, which is $45.75, you're also paying your tip percent, which is 15%, and the tax percent, all of your total. So let's break this down. What exactly are you paying for? You are paying 15% plus 9%, which is 24% on top of 100% of your bill. So you're not only paying 100% of your bill, you're paying 124% of your bill. So what does that look like? That looks like $45.75 times 1.24, or 124%. So $45.75 times 1.24, that gives you $56.73 for your total bill. $56.73. Put a label of money on there, and you have your answer. This is going to be coming in handy for you, especially if we're going to stay in quarantine for a while. However, one day, alas, we will be able to go out to eat again, so let's hope that this still applies. The McAllister family, home alone, McAllister family is going out to eat at Outback. The total bill is $72.79. The tax is 7%, and they're going to tip 20%. What is the total amount for the evening for the family to pay? Again, we're going to take what we know about tax and tip and the bill. We know we have to pay 100% of our bill. That is non-negotiable. But on top of that, we have to pay 7% for tax and 20% for tip. So the easier way to figure this out would be to add all the percents that we are going to be paying. So we're going to be paying 20 plus 7, more than 100% of our bill. So when we go to find our percent of our bill, this is going to be 1.27% of our total bill. See, 72.79 times 1.27, 72.79 times 1.27, that gives me this long decimal here. I have to now round that to money, which means I'm rounding to the 100ths place. I'm going to look to my right. My 3 says that I'm rounding this down, so my total bill is going to be $92.44. All right, 7th graders, if you understand this method and you get it, please move forward to your independent practice. If you still need help, go back through this video, try to make sense of it, or look at videos from previous days, and reach out to your teacher if you need anything. Good luck!